Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to TechKC. Today in this video, we'll see this Moto Edge 60 Fusion back cover. See, with the box, the back case is not provided with the Moto Edge 60 Fusion mobile. So we need to purchase that separately, whether online or offline. This user has purchased this clear case in the previous video I have shown you something like a printed case for this Moto Edge 60 Fusion that is already uploaded on our channel. See here, this is the one I'm talking about. The upper one is the printed Moto Edge 60 Fusion back cover, which is also good. If you missed that video, just I'll drop that in the description, just check that video. Okay, yeah, this is the one I'm talking. And now currently this is the clear case, because after 2 months the user wanted a clear appearance for this Moto Edge 60 Fusion, so he purchased this for around 250 rupees, but it is offline. Okay, but at the end of the video I'll try to find the exact matches which are available in online also. When I saw this for the first time, I felt like somewhat like the clear cases which iPhone user uses, these sort of cases. Okay, yeah, the similar type of design. And the material here it is showing is the silicone material, and the quality is decently good, and this got perfectly fit for this Moto Edge 60 Fusion mobile. Yeah, and we need to check once the user uses this for at least 4 to 5 months, does it changing the color from this transparent to some brownish color, which usually happens with the silicone clear cases. Yeah, for 240 rupees or 250 rupees, yeah, this is decently good, and all the charging points and the sensor vents and everything are perfectly fit, and this is perfectly designed for Moto Edge 60 mobile. And I also checked the close products related to this product, the clear case of Moto Edge 60 mobiles, and the prices were similar both online and offline. It is showing something like 250 rupees only. Yeah, I got one on the Amazon and 2 products on the Flipkarts, and this is the matte finished hard PC back case cover compatible for Moto Edge 60 Fusion, and these are on the Flipkart. It's like 290, and one more I saw, but here the camera vents are slightly different for this case. Yeah, they mentioned that Motorola Edge 60 Fusion 5G. Yeah, but yeah, please do comment your opinion.